Hi, I'm Todd Hudgel with MarineMax in Panama City Beach. When you're shopping for boats, you need to keep in mind that the model number on a boat, like this Grady-White 236, is not necessarily its exact length. It doesn't mean that it's 23 feet 6 inches, or even that it's 23 feet. Grady-White is conservative in all things, and that includes model numbers. This Grady-White 236 you think would be a 23-foot boat. It's actually 25 foot 7 overall. That's right, almost 26 feet. One of this boat's major competitors is designated at 238. Well, you would think that would be a 23-foot boat. It's actually 24 foot 4, where this one is 25 foot 7, and that's length overall. And they're similar designs. Another competitor's 23-foot boat is actually 23 foot 6. So while all are over 23 feet, you've got a 2-foot difference between one of the competitor's boats and this Grady-White 236. You're getting 2 feet more boat. People often ask me why Grady-Whites cost more per model length than some of the competitors. One of the many, many reasons is that you're getting more boat. Come by MarineMax, Panama City Beach. Check this out for yourself. Check it out compared to the competitors' similar models. You'll see you're getting a lot more boat for your money.